Welcome back to the King Quiz channel. Our topic for today is 20 quizzes to guess celebrities through their songs and dances. How many sentences do you think you can guess correctly? Comment below to let us know. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Whoever has 20 points will become the winner and will be honored in the next video. Before you start, press the like button and subscribe to the channel to see the latest videos. 3, 2, 1, let's start. Number 1. Who is dancing?
Freestyler. Rock the microphone.
The correct answer is SpiderMan.
Freestyler. Rock the microphone. Straight from the top.
Number 2. Who owns this dance? It's none other than Markiplier Dance. Number 3. Do you recognize who is dancing this dance? Too familiar, right? The correct answer is that one guy. Choose your favorite gift. The first gift. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and write your birthday below. We will congratulate you in the following video. The second gift. Whose fan are you? Comment on that person's name and we will follow your request in the following video. Number 4. Do you recognize whose voice is this? Do you find this voice familiar? That is the I Show Speed. Number 5. Can you guess who is singing?
I met you, I'm always thinking of you. I blame it on that smile and those amazing eyes. The sweetest when you talk, just like...
Whoa, the correct answer to this question is Ferran.
I'm always thinking of you. I blame it on that smile and those amazing eyes. The sweetest when you talk, just like a dad step.
Number 6. Who do you think sings better? Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. Number 7. Do you know who is dancing this dance? Whoa, it's none other than my Talking Tom. Number 8. Can you spot the difference between the two pictures? You are so smart. The correct answer is here. Number 9. Who is the master of this dance? It's none other than Wednesday. Number 10. What movie do you think of when you hear this song? Have you got an answer yet? The correct answer is Across the Spider-Verse. Number 11. Do you know this movie? Have you got an answer yet? The correct answer is Sponge on the Run.
Ya, dale sonríe que bien la estamos pasando. Ya estamos al gari, montamos el party.
Number 12. Which movie do you like more? Let me know your answers below in the comment section. Number 13. Do you recognize who is dancing? Whoa, and Justin Gensins is the one who danced this dance. Number 14. Do you know who is singing? Does anyone have an answer yet? The answer is Elsa. Number 15. Who is the owner of this voice? The answer is Ariel. Number 16. Whose dance is this?
Young tuna fish. Yeah.
It's amazing, that is the Salish Matters dance.
Let's go a young tuna fish.
Number 17. Do you recognize where the mouth of Salish Matter is? Great, here's the answer. Number 18. Who is doing this dance? You are so smart. The correct answer is Python the Loo. Who is the master of this set?
'Cause oh, we will go.
It's great. That's the answer. It's Megan.
'Cause oh, we will go.
20. Listen to this music. What is this movie? You are so amazing. The correct answer is An Abominable and Invisible City. So, 20 questions are over for today. Do you remember how many questions did you guess correctly? Comment below to compare your result with others. Those who have the correct answer will get a very surprise gift. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye and see you in the following videos.